Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account with Zoho Books. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Zoho Books. Maybe you're coming from QuickBooks, maybe you're coming from Wave apps. Either way, I can speak from experience that Zoho Books is absolutely phenomenal. I've been using it for a couple of years now, but there's not going to be a lot of steps involved in this video, guys. It's going to be short, sweet, and to the point, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, when you first log on to your Zoho Books account, this is what it's going to look like. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on Banking. So here you connect your bank and credit cards to fetch all your transactions. So you would simply just follow the prompts. So in our case, if we click on Connect Bank/Credit Card, here you can find PayPal, Bank of America, TD, Scotiabank. All the major banks would be here. So if we click on Bank of America, you just need to follow the prompts, click on proceed, and then again, you would need to find Bank of America. And then here you would actually go ahead and click on continue. So I'm not going to follow through with the prompts here, but essentially by clicking on that banking option on the left-hand side under Zoho Books, that is how you would actually go ahead and connect your bank with Zoho Books. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank with Zoho Books. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.